Good morning, Standard 4C. I am your English teacher, Mrs. Bulbul Sengupta. Good morning, children. How are you? I think all of you are fine. Now, children, today I am going to teach you he and she. That is gender. Masculine, feminine. Male, female. We will teach he and she. I am she. So, come on. He and she. So, let us come. We will learn gender. My dear children, today we will learn about gender. It means male and female. Now, let us see. This is female, girl, and this is male. Now, let us see. Female is feminine and masculine is male. See, this is a boy. Boy, girl. Masculine, he, and girl, feminine, she. It is he and this is she. Boy, girl, grandfather, grandmother. Now let us see. This is masculine and feminine. Now here children, hunter, huntress, temper, temptress, master, mistress, tiger, tigress, duke, duchess, enchanter, enchantress, songster, songstress, heroine, hero, hero is a masculine, hero, heroine, sultan, sultana, czar, czarina, signor, signora, manservant, maidservant, he goat, she goat, cock sparrow, hen sparrow, bull calf, cow calf, grandfather, grandmother, landlord, landlady, milkman, milkmaid, peacock, peahen, giant, giantess, count, countess. Now let us move. See. Father, mother, son, daughter, brother, sister, man, woman, bachelor, maid, cock, hen, dog, bitch, bull, cow, drone, bee, gander, goose, stag, hen, gentleman, lady, earl, countess, husband, wife, lord, lady, king, queen, monk, nun, sir, madam, uncle, aunt, nephew, niece, wizard, witch, hart, roe, drake, duck, lion, lioness. Now let's see again. Brother, sister, bullock, heifer, colt, filly, drake, duck, father, mother, gentleman, lady, husband, wife, man, woman, nephew, niece, son, daughter, wizard, witch, boy, girl, bull, cow, cock, hen. Now let's see this gender. Father, mother, son, daughter, brother, sister, man, woman, shepherd, shepherdess, rooster, hen, dog, bitch, bull, cow, drone, bee, gander, goose, stag, hen, gentleman, lady, count, countess, husband, wife, lord, lady, king, queen, monk, nun, sir, madam, uncle, uncle, aunt, uncle, aunt, lord, lady, king, queen, monk, nun, sir, madam, nephew, niece, wizard, witch, hart, roe, drake, duck, lion, lioness, priest, priestess, prophet, prophetess, patron, patroness, host, hostess, viscount, viscountess, steward, stewardess, heir, heiress, baron, baroness, peer, peers, abbot, abbess, emperor, empress, traitor, traitress, actor, actress, poet, poetess, benefactor, benefactress, Tom, queen, stallion, mare, ram, ewe, fox, vixen, tiger, tigress, buck, doe, boa, sow, hunter, huntress, tempter, temptress, master, mistress, tiger, tigress, duck, duchess, enchanter, enchantress, songster, songstress, hero, heroine, sultan, sultana, czar, czarina, signor, signora, manservant, maidservant, he-goat, she-goat, cock sparrow, hen sparrow, bull calf, cow calf, grandfather, grandmother, landlord, landlady, milkman, milkmaid, peacock, peahen, giant, giantess, count, countess. Now here you see dog, bitch, that is dog. Dog masculine, dog feminine, bitch. Chicken masculine, rooster feminine, hen. Bear masculine, bear feminine, sow. Drone masculine, bee, drone masculine, queen is bee feminine. Camel, bull, cow. Cat, tom, queen. Deer, buck, doe. Donkey, jack, Janet, fox, Todd, vixen. Goat, he-goat, she-goat. Goose, gander, goose. Leopard, leopard, leopard dress. Lion, lion, lioness. Mule, John, Molly. Peacock, peacock, peahen. Pig, boa, sow. Sheep, ram, ewe. Swan, cob, pen. Tiger, tiger, tigress. Wolf, he-wolf, she-wolf. Zebra, stallion, mare. Cow, bull, cow. Duck, drake, duck. Horse, stallion, mare. So here all of you see the gender of the noun. It is masculine gender, feminine gender, neuter gender. Neuter gender, it is for thing. That is boy. Boy, for masculine we will use he. And for feminine we will use for girl. We use she. And neuter gender we use it. Boy, he. Girl, she. Car, it. Man, he. Woman, she. Table, it. Father and son, they. Mother and daughter, they. Boat, it. Grandfather, he. Grandmother, she. Tree, it. King, he. Queen, she. House, it. Now here are a lot of examples are there. Author, authoress, giant, giantess, Jew, Jewess, host, hostess, prophet, prophetess, poet, poetess, priest, priestess. Example number 2, actor, actress, hunter, huntress, waiter, waitress, prince, princess, negro, negress, tiger, tigress, director, directress, ambassador, ambassadress. Example number 3, duke, duchess, governor, governess, master, mistress, sorcerer, sorceress, marquess, marchioness, emperor, empress, god, goddess, abbot, abbess, manservant, maidservant, doctor, lady doctor, bull calf, cow calf, tomcat, she cat, headmaster, headmistress, peacock, peahen, landlord, landlady, he goat, she goat. So all these are the example of masculine and feminine. See, hunter, huntress. So see this. And then all these are examples of masculine and feminine. So now children, open chapter number, unit number 2, gender, and it is page number 11. Okay, so this is a family tree. Look here. Look at the following family tree, and the name of the sum of the relationships is given in the 8 box. Then complete the sentence given on the next page. Some sentences have been completed. Example. For example, Kishore Lal, Shanti Lal, Rajat Kapoor, Sunita Nair, Dheeraj Nair, Pallavi Bansal, Madhuri Kapoor, Mahima Kapoor, Abhimanyu Nair, Ankit Nair. So 8 box: grandfather, grandson, aunt, cousin, sister-in-law, grandfather, grandmother, grandfather, mother, uncle, daughter-in-law, brother-in-law, daughter, granddaughter, father, niece, son-in-law, son, daughter, nephew. These are the relationships. Okay. So some is masculine. This is masculine, man. Masculine, and this is the picture of feminine. This is masculine. This is feminine. Masculine, feminine. Masculine, feminine. Masculine, feminine. The gender are of 3 types: masculine, feminine, and neuter gender. Here it is masculine, feminine. Masculine, feminine, he, she. Masculine, feminine, he, she. Masculine, feminine, he. This is feminine and feminine, she, she. This is masculine and masculine, he. Now let us come to this page. So here you have to write down the complete the sentence. Sunita Nair is Kishori Lal Nair's daughter. Okay. Rajat Kapoor is Kishori Lal's son-in-law. Okay. So Dheeraj Nair. Dheeraj Nair is Kishori Lal's son. See this is Kishori Lal and Dheeraj Nair. Dheeraj Nair is Kishori Lal's son. Okay. And these are granddaughters and grandson. Okay. So now Dheeraj Nair is Kishori Lal's son. Pallavi Bansal is Shanta Devi's daughter-in-law. Madhuri Kapoor is Dheeraj Lal's niece. Dheeraj Nair's niece. Abhimanyu Nair is Sunita Nair's nephew. Dheeraj Nair is Madhuri Kapoor's uncle. Mahima Kapoor is Shanti Devi's granddaughter. Pallavi Bansal is Sunita Nair's sister-in-law. And Ankit Nair is Madhuri Kapoor's cousin. So here all of you see. All these are his grandfather, grandmother. These are son. Rajat Kapoor is son of Kishori Lal. And Dheeraj Nair is also son of what? Whom? Kishori Lal. And this Sunita Nair and this Pallavi Nair, these are daughter-in-law of Shanta Devi. Okay. This Madhuri Kapoor, Mahima Kapoor, Abhimanyu Nair and Ankit Nair, these are cousins. Right? And Madhuri Kapoor is daughter of Rajat Kapoor. Mahima Kapoor is daughter of Sunita Nair. And Abhimanyu Nair is the son of Dheeraj Nair. Ankit Nair is the son of Pallavi Bansal. So these are the relationship, but still there is a main point is gender, that is masculine man and feminine female. Man and woman, he and she, he, she, he, she, he. Okay, so this thing you have to fill up the relationship. All these peoples belong to male and the female are the gender. So male human being is masculine gender and the female is feminine gender. Okay. So now come to this worksheet number 1, page number 11. So in here the following persons and animals have got separated from their partner. So you have to match them. For example, author. Author is authoress. Author, authoress. Actor, actress. Landlord, landlady. Horse, mare. Peacock, peahen. Hero, heroine. Sir, madam. Wizard, witch. So you have to match it. This is masculine and this is feminine. Now come to worksheet number 2. The name of some persons and animals are given below. Write the M if they are masculine gender and F if they are feminine gender. Write the name of the opposite gender in the space also provided. Take words from the 8 box. This is the 8 box. Mayor, bridegroom, emperor, king, mistress, dog, hostess, duchess, bull, peahen. So here you see this number, person and animal. Bride. Bride is female. And what is the opposite gender? Opposite gender is bridegroom, dulha. Host. Host is male and the opposite is hostess. Master. Master is male. Opposite is mistress. Duke. It is male. Opposite is duchess. Cow. It is female. Opposite is gender. Bull. Queen. Female. Opposite gender. King. Bitch. F. Female. Opposite gender. Dog. Empress. Female. F. Opposite gender, emperor. Horse, it is male. And opposite gender, mare. Peacock, it is male. Opposite gender, peahen. Now come to worksheet number 3. In worksheet number 3, we have learnt about masculine and feminine gender. Let us now understand about common gender. Some of the nouns are here. They belong to both gender, male and female. For example, baby, teacher, student, engineer, parent. In baby, it may be boy or girl. Teacher, it means for these nouns is lady and male and female. Student also male and female. Engineer, it is also for male and female. Parents, it is also for male and female. Some more examples, doctor, servant, it is also for male and female. So now complete the name of the following person and animal and write whether they belong to male or female or common gender. Okay. A person who paints is a painter. Painter is a common gender. Painter, it may be male or female. A child without parent is called an orphan. Orphan is a common gender. It includes male and female. इसमें लड़का और लड़की दोनों आता है. A person who lives in the house next to yours is your neighbor. It is NEIGHBOUR. It is also common gender. Common neighbor, it may be female भी हो सकता है, male भी हो सकता है. Your father's dad is your grandfather. Grandfather is masculine, male. And the opposite gender of horse is mare. It is feminine, female gender. The opposite gender of nephew is niece. Niece is a feminine. It is female gender. The person who teaches us is a teacher. Teacher is a common gender. Teacher includes male and female. You are also having maths teacher. You are having English teacher. That is lady. I am your maths teacher, Mrs. Bulbul Gupta. And your maybe your SSC teacher, Deepak sir. He is female. But both are doing the same job. So teacher. It is common gender. Now come to worksheet number 4. Mr. Parik is going to tell her students a new story today, but there is a problem. The boy wants her to tell them the story of a wizard, while Gerd wants her to tell them the story of a witch. Wizard is a male and witch is a female. Jadugar, Jadugarni. Mrs. Parik thinks of a plan. I will tell you a story, change the gender of the noun in each line. You will get a story about the witch and the wizard. Okay. So once upon a time, there lived a wizard in the jungle. So you have to change the gender from this sentence. Gender is a noun, so find out the noun wizard. Once upon a time there lived a witch in a jungle. तो इसी तरह बच्चों you have to change the noun gender. He was very kind hearted but his wife was very cruel. So he is converted with she. She was very kind hearted but her husband was very cruel. Okay. She was very kind-hearted, but her husband was very cruel. The wizard would always help everyone who was in trouble. The witch would always help everyone who was in trouble. Opposite of wizard is witch. The witch with her magic wand caused problem for people. The wizard with his magic band caused problem for the people. Just change the noun gender. Which wizard? One day the emperor is a noun, of Afghanistan and the Duke of the Kent were. One day the emperor will change with empress of Afghanistan and the duchess of the Kent were passing through the jungle on their horses. Passing through their jungle, Jungle, on their horses. Opposite gender of horses is mare, on the mares. The witch saw them coming and thought of herself. The wizard, which will change with wizard. Wizard saw them coming and thought of himself. He, let me trouble them and steal their peacocks. He, let me trouble them and steal their peahens. Peacock will change with peahens. The wizard heard her and decided to help the travelers. The witch heard him and decided to help the travelers. Traveler is a common noun, so it will not change. Okay, children? Now, let us come to worksheet number 5. So, now turn the page, passage B.2 and mix up at birth. You turn the page B.2 mix up at birth of my English reader and locate and write the opposite gender of this word in the blurb. This is the blurb aunt, uncle, 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 father, mother, 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 fisherman, fisherwoman. You have to write opposite gender of this words which is given in this block. Now find the common gender also. Cricketer and baby. These two are common gender. Now children, do it yourselves. Check your knowledge and complete the following statement. Your mother's mother is your grandmother. Your hair is cut by a barber. Your father and mother are your parents. A person who treats a patient is a doctor. A boy on his wedding day is the bridegroom. Okay children, now come to question number 2. Pair them. Match and arrange the following list of words in the 2 columns given below. So you have to match it. A with B. A is a word, noun is there. B is also having the noun. It is, you have to match it. Fox, vixen. Count, countess. Mistress, master. Peacock, peahen. Roar, heart. So you have to write male, fox, female, vixen. Count, male, countess, vixen. Countess is a female. Master, male. Mistress, female. Heart, male. Roe, female. Peacock, male. Peahen, female. Now come to question number 3. Fill in the blanks with the opposite gender of the word given in the bold letter. See, some words are given in the bold letter. The Duke of Kent was cruel, but the Duchess was kind-hearted. Mrs. Cole invited all her nephews and nieces to her son's birthday. The wicked queen wanted Snow White to die, but the king loved his daughter very much. My uncle was very fat, but my aunt is slim. The empress smiled and waved at everyone, but the emperor seemed to be sad. So children, this is up to this. You have to do it. Okay? So my dear children, so I think this is masculine and this is feminine. See, both of them are together. So I have taught you the gender. Gender means male and this is female. See, 2 dolls. One is male and another one is female. So children, I hope you have understood the male and gender and female gender and neutral gender also. Neutral gender is for thing. Okay, and then common gender is also there. So I think hope you have understand. Now it's time for sayonara. Bye bye.